Hi everyone, welcome to Review Channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Xiaomi Mi LED Smart Color Bulb. This bulb is a 9 watts LED bulb and this gives out around 950 lumens, and also this has a pretty good packaging, and then also in that they have mentioned it's 16 million colors, so you can choose multiple options, various color options. And also they've called it as 11 years long life, and also this needs a mobile app to be activated. The MRP is currently marked as 999 Indian rupees, and then I got it in Amazon for somewhere around 599 with all the discounts. So let's go ahead and then open up the box and see what it has in the box. So let me see, it has a sticker, probably it's a similar color, so that they make sure that it's not something that easily you can buy and then tamper proof. So when we open the box, it just has a bulb itself, so it has a wrapper around the bulb so that it doesn't get any scratches, and also some paperwork. So this is a paperwork that has information on how to set it up and all the specifications. So the bulb is pretty heavy, and then it is not a round bulb like we get from other smart bulbs. This is somewhat a flat head, that's what it has, and then this is pretty heavy, and then this is kind of a very well built. So that's what I feel. So let me show you how to have this set up. So you need a Xiaomi Home mobile app. So it's available for Android and iOS. So you can use this, but you need a 2.4 gigs Wi-Fi. So this bulb doesn't support the 5 gigs Wi-Fi. So make sure that you are connected to a 2.4 gigs, and also have the Bluetooth enabled so that this can use. So after you download, when you open up the app, it will ask multiple notifications to approve it, so that you need to give them permissions to access your Bluetooth, your microphone, your storage, and also to send you notifications. To to start off with, you can use your sign in with mobile option, so that you can click on that and then enter your mobile number, your the OTP that it sends out, and then it would let you log in. And after you log in, you can see there will be a small instruction that comes up on the mobile and then says turn on the Bluetooth, and then make sure that you agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you would see that you would need to select the light bulb that you have got. So what we have is the LED smart bulb. So you need to scroll down or else use the left menu option so that you can select on and that. And then if you see under lamp, the light bulb that I have has been mentioned. So after you select that, it's going to ask you to reset. So to reset, you should connect the bulb onto the adapter and then turn it on and off 5 times. So when you turn on and then give 2 seconds and then turn it off, then continue the same operation for 5 times, and then it would reset. So once it resets, it would blink in all the multiple colors, and then it again lights up in white after that. So this is the confirmation that the bulb is reset. So once that is done, it would find the device, and then it would start the necessary settings so that it would make sure that the bulb is connected to your Wi-Fi network. So it would take some few minutes to do this setup. So wait for it to get completed. And once all it's done, it will confirm to you saying it's complete options, and then you can select on which room that you have it. So probably there's some recommended names in it. You can also add a name to it. So I'm going to just click on study and then continue. So after you select it, you can also rename the device. So you can name it as whatever you want. So I'm just going to leave it as Mi LED Smart Color. And once you log in, it's going to ask you to update the firmware on the bulb itself. So the software that goes into the bulb needs to be updated. So the latest ones will take a few minutes to download and then update. So the current version is 1.39, and the latest version that it's downloading is 2.08. So just give it a couple of minutes, and then it would just finish off quickly. So now it's completed, and then it's just making sure the bulb is reset. So once the firmware update's done, it will turn off the bulb, and then it would push the firmware update to the bulb, and then once it is done, it's going to lit up in white. This is going to be really bright on the screen. So the next is you would be waiting to make sure that the whole installation is complete, and then it would confirm that the firmware is upgraded. Then you can start seeing that the various color options that you can use. So this would come up, and then you can just change it to any color. I know the colors representations on the video would be slightly lesser, but this is really good in terms of the color. Let me show you. So it has this all the options that you can change, and then the best one is the cool white, which is going to give you more brightness. And also you can do various options of flow where it would lit up the bulb in different colors, so it would just continuously rotate it. So that's pretty much the unboxing and video for the Mi LED smart bulb. I hope you liked the video. If you do like it, please subscribe and like the video, and we would be very happy if you come back to the channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. This is Review Channel signing off. Thank you.